In Dushanbe, the contest "The Art of Decorating the Dasarkhan" was held. This competition, which was organized in the framework of the Years of Rural Development, Tourism and Folk Crafts, was attended by women and girls from 4 metropolitan areas of Dushanbe city. Each participant seriously prepared for the competition and tried to better present cooked salads and national dishes in order to win a worthy place. National dishes such as kurutop, shakarop, several types of soup, tortillas cooked in oven, chapati, kulcha, sambusa, various sweets, fruit juice that testified the abundance and prosperity of each house. The main conditions of the competition are to present national dishes, their composition and method of cooking, the specifics, dressing, and etc. The jury seriously evaluated each decorated dasarkhan and discussed all the dishes that showed off on it. Recall that the purpose of the competition is to honor the traditions of the ancestors, revive and develop national cuisine, increase the priority of domestic products that are environmentally friendly, properly design the dasarkhan, and observe a lean attitude in the conduct of events.